All right, so it's gonna be a thought process video. Litecoin, I'm really liking it. I like how it moved up, pulled back really nicely, and didn't so much go to the 382. But for those that don't know, I don't think I actually said it out loud, but the reason I've been posting about the possible ETFs, because they're going to move, and we've seen it before. When there's ETFs, the coins move, but that's why I've been posting quite a bit in reference to just updates on the ETFs, all that good stuff. But Solana, we're going to be entering Litecoin, XRP, Doge. These we're going to be entering so that we can have in our hold bag. Now, you don't have to enter all of them, but just know that these are coins that we're going to be doing. Litecoin, I was looking at it right here, and this is when Bitcoin was not looking strong. I was really thinking that we're going to roll over and we can get it at a lower price, but instead it broke this level. And then as soon as it broke out, I mean, it just started going and going and going. By the time I saw it, it was too late. I'm thinking we're going to pull back, or Bitcoin's at a resistance, and it just kept on going. 14%. Ouch. Like, that hurts a lot. Especially since, like, I've been watching it for days and days and days. Well, actually months, about a month or so. Because ever since I put these on here, like these I'm looking at. So right now, and I'll do a chart in a little bit. I'm on the treadmill right now. But right now for this one, personally, this would right now would be a good entry. Let's do some blue. And then the lower entries would be right where the levels are at. So the lower entry, well, it depends on the percentage, because I don't want to do it like 4%. 6%, that's nothing. I'll do one right here for 8%. So this will be another, this will be a lower entry. And then I'll do another one. 15% is really nothing. But we can do one, I'll say about right here. And then hopefully it comes down lower. Now, the more days that pass, the less likely we're going to get some amazing discounts, because I was really hoping for 2 more retraces. But we may just get one. I'm not too sure. Like, nobody knows. But in reference to BNB, our lower entries never hit. This one got close. It's just kicking butt. Our arrow, this one, our lower entries did hit both of these, so that's good. So right now, if you were doing the lower entries, you're in profit, as opposed to possibly be at a loss. This one, our lower entries hit as well. It's not looking too good though, but hopefully, it'll maybe find support somewhere down here and start coming up, start breaking some highs. Right now, this one, it just needs to break highs. Hype. This one, our lower entry hit. This one almost hit. I was kind of disappointed in this one. Our lower entry, one of them hit. I was really looking for this one, to come over, roll over, hit it, and then start going up. But same thing, you'd be in profit on that one. For Link, our lower entry has not hit. I was really hoping that we would get it. But, so I mean, we're in it. The blues are entries. So right now we're at a loss. If we would have hit this one, we would have been at a gain. And that's how that works for the lower entries. Aster, we only got one lower entry. We came really close to this one. I don't believe we got this one. Let me see. No. I was really I was wanting all 3 of them, but we only got one of them. And hopefully y'all are in these, especially that one and this one, Aventus. All 3 entries hit, which was great. And why did it pull back so much? Well, because it just went up so much, But Solana, I was really thinking that we're going to get rejected here. And again, Bitcoin, past couple of days hasn't been looking strong. And then just all of a sudden, a few days ago, started going. But I was looking for a rejection here to come down, possibly retest this again, come up, break the level, enter. But This one, Solana, is a great one. And in my opinion, and this is pretty much for everything really, any price you get it at, if you're gonna hold it like for a month, 2 month hold, and not a trade but an investment, then just have lower entries. Expect the price to come down 25-35% minimum. Litecoin, we talked about that one. XRP looks good too. I'm really waiting for it to come down so we can enter and then have lower entries. But XRP, the XRP army steps up and they start, doing their thing. But then they also sell off on us too. I think it's the owners. But anyway, Doge. I mean, look at that. Beautiful break here. Beautiful break here. Would love to see it retrace to at least 0.24591. But what is the percentage? From there to about here? 4%. That's nothing. So, I mean, if depending on, your own risk tolerance or whatever, if you just want to get it at a lower price, potentially, I mean, it could go up from here, just skyrocket. But you could enter some. I'll probably put this one and Litecoin. But do you notice how Litecoin looks so much different than the ones I've been showing you? Litecoin, it went up, came down, and now started going up. These other ones, it went up, starting to come down, and it hasn't really made that pivot yet. And plus, this is a really small retracement. There's not a lot of structure in that. All right, that's all I got, guys. I do thank you very much. I'll be posting Litecoin more than likely later on today, possibly Solana, Doge, and these are going to be for a month, maybe 2 month hold. And if you start making, I think on BNB, we're up like 120%, something crazy. If you want, you can take profits anytime you want. So the whole time, that you're in this group, I'm showing you how to trade. I'm showing you taking profits. I'm showing you stop losses and all this other good stuff. Right now, hopefully on these longer investments, no stop loss. Expect the pullback. Add on those pullbacks. And we've talked about that too. You want to double up. So just really quick, I know this video is long. This one, perfect example. Let's say on this one, I'm going to do $500. Now, I have a pretty good idea that we might pull back. I don't know if we will, but there's a pretty good idea. Why? Well, it ran up. Look at this huge run up. And let's say we get it. Where do we get it at? We got it right here. So saying we get it here. Now we get it here. It could go up from here. And I have $50 in the trade. Because again, I have $500 for this. I have $50 in the trade. And if it goes up, great. Because it could do something like this. Like this right here could be this area. And then it goes up and up. It retraces. Then it starts coming up. Okay, now we can put maybe $100 here. And just in case it comes down more, then we can put, hopefully once it starts going up, the rest of it, 300, 400, whatever we have. Here, we put $50, hoping that it comes down. If it does, which it did, $50 here. Here we double that 50. We put 100. And then here, we double that. So we put 200. And then here, we put our 400. Or you can do, 50 here, 50 here. Then when it goes down to here, put the 100. And then if it comes down more, then you can put, 200, 300, the remainder or whatever. But the main thing about all this is having money on the side so you can add to it. Because it could at any point from, let's just say here, start going up and up and up. It's like, oh man, how do you get these? Let me cancel these. Let me start adding up here. But not all of it though. Because let's say it goes up 30, 40%, and then it dumps 70 for whatever reason. well, you still have $100, $200 where you can put in down here as it's coming up. All right. So I got. I do thank you guys very much. Talk to you soon. Take care.